collapse and overflow that's polluted the Potomac River. D.C. Water worked with local and federal officials to fix the problem. And we got an update from D.C.'s mayor and D.C. Water. They reiterated drinking water is not affected, but to avoid contact with river water. D.C. News Now's Daniel Hamburg joining us live from Northwest along the Potomac. And Daniel, the big concern, E. coli levels in the water. What are officials saying tonight?
Well, Chris, in the span of 3 weeks starting January 19th, there were more than 240 million gallons of sewage that flowed into the river. Now, there hasn't been an overflow since February 9th, and because of that, D.C. Water CEO says the level of contamination in the river is steadily decreasing. Excavation began Thursday at the site of the collapsed Potomac Interceptor in Cabin John, Maryland. That's the pipeline carrying 60 million gallons of sewage a day.
The clearing operation is underway, and we're very pleased with how that's proceeding.
D.C. Water expects by mid-March sewage will be flowing back into the Interceptor and not into the C&O Canal, where it's currently being diverted. Then cleanup can begin.
We have an environmental team that we have contracted with. We will work with them in coming up with what that plan looks like. We will then work with EPA. We will work with Maryland MDE as well.
Mayor Bowser has declared a local emergency and has requested the president declare a federal emergency. Friday afternoon, Bowser said President Trump has not responded to that request just yet. But D.C. is working closely with the federal government already to monitor contamination and coordinate cleanup efforts.
Our ability to process the disaster declaration request always comes with support from our FEMA region. They've been very supportive and very communicative throughout this process.
The D.C. Department of Energy and Environment is testing the river weekly, but next month will begin testing daily.
We intend to test for at least, for quite some time throughout the year. So we're just going to expand with the assistance of EPA. We now know we have the resources to do what we need to do.
Now, D.C. Water says that they expect to complete these repairs, but it will cost $20 million. Mayor Bowser is asking the federal government for 100% reimbursement for those costs. Meanwhile, D.C. Health is asking people to stay away from that water to avoid all contact. That includes things like boating and kayaking, and also to keep your pets away. They said if all goes as planned, that they will lift that advisory on March 2nd. We're live in Northwest. Daniel Hamburg, D.C. News Now.
All right, we've still got some time to go. So